Today is a new day, full of opportunities and possibilities. I wake up feeling energized and ready to embrace the day. Each morning brings me strength and clarity. I am grateful for this beautiful day ahead. My mind is clear and my heart is open. I choose to focus on the positive aspects of life. Every breath I take fills me with peace and calm. I am surrounded by beauty and abundance. This morning, I feel confident and strong. I embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. My potential to succeed is limitless. Today, I am brimming with creativity and ideas. I am capable of achieving great things. I am in control of my thoughts and actions. Peace and happiness are my companions today. I face the day with courage and optimism. My spirit is unbreakable and resilient. I am worthy of all the good that comes my way. Today, I will make positive and healthy choices. I am a magnet for success and good fortune. My journey today is filled with joy and discovery. I radiate positivity and attract good vibes. I am thankful for every moment of this new day. I am the architect of my happiness and success. Today, I will spread kindness and compassion. My smile is my superpower to brighten the day. I welcome new experiences and adventures. I am surrounded by love and positivity. Every step I take is a step towards progress. I trust in my abilities to navigate today's challenges. I am a beacon of light and hope. Today, my mind is free from worry and doubt. I cherish each moment and live fully. I am a source of inspiration and positivity. My heart is open to give and receive love. Today, I am a powerhouse of energy and vitality. I am in harmony with the universe. My actions today will bring me closer to my dreams. I am fearless in the pursuit of what sets my soul on fire. This morning, I choose happiness and gratitude. I am equipped with all I need for today's journey. I am a positive influence on those around me. Every sunrise is an invitation to a positive day. I am in sync with my true purpose. Today, I embrace my authentic self. I am filled with gratitude for another day of life. My thoughts shape my reality, and they are positive. I am a warrior of light and positivity. I am deserving of all the good that unfolds today. My morning routine sets the tone for a successful day. I am the master of my emotions and reactions. Today, I will be present in every moment. I am a catalyst for positive change in the world. Each morning, I am reborn with fresh perspectives. I am aligned with my goals and aspirations. I spread joy and positivity wherever I go. Today, I am unstoppable and fearless. I am a vessel of peace and serenity. I am empowered to make the best choices for me. My morning is a canvas and I paint it with joy. I am grateful for my health and well-being. Today, I will be kinder than necessary. I am a living embodiment of positivity and resilience. My inner peace is unshakable today. I am a source of love and light in the world. Today, I am focused, efficient, and productive. I am at peace with my past and excited for my future. I am a creator of joy and happiness. My mind is a sanctuary of positivity and calm. I embrace the beauty of the present moment. I am a force of good and positivity in the world. My morning is the foundation of a successful day. I am blessed with talents and abilities. Today, I will make a positive impact on others. I am guided by wisdom, intuition, and kindness. I am resilient, strong, and full of energy. Every morning is a chance to reinvent myself. I am the author of my own life story. I choose to see the good in every situation. Today, I am a beacon of positivity and hope. I am overflowing with happiness and gratitude. My actions today are aligned with my higher self. I am a masterpiece of strength and perseverance. I am a positive force in my own life. Today, I embrace all the possibilities life offers. I am at peace with the flow of life. I am the ruler of my mind and emotions. I am overflowing with creativity and inspiration. This morning, I step into my power and greatness.